guys, hope everyone is doing well. It's been a while since I last posted because I went into a little depressive mode again. It's funny because of what my last video was about, trying to get over no motivation, but oh well. I'm back with posting and I actually have next video in the making for Halloween, my favorite holiday. It's not gonna be spooky, but still Halloween vibe, I guess. To be honest, I don't know what to say in this video, so it's gonna be a little bit of everything, and I hope you guys don't mind. First of all, about the drawing. For this drawing, I use my own reference photo, like for almost every of my drawings. And you can actually see my own plushie I own, which you can see a photo of. He's named after my first love, which is weird, but I like it. Maybe it's kind of sweet, I don't know. And now for the game. My friend and I were talking about it, and he liked the idea, and he liked the characters I made for now. And he actually told me he can code a little. When I heard about it, I was like, what? I never knew that. I asked him if he could help me with the game, and he said no. So I told him to help me in the future because the game is in the making. It's like really fresh and everything. And he said that maybe and that I can learn coding by myself. And so I said okay, if he helps me a little bit. So yeah, we have a little bit of help from him. That's nice. And guys, listen here. I got my first fan art for this game, and I didn't expect this. I was like, I got notification on Twitter, and I was like, okay, what's happening? And I saw it, and I was like, oh my god. I cried so much. And it was made by Ajita, I'm sorry, I don't know how to say your name. And these are my main character. I cried a lot. That's my first time getting fan art from someone I don't know, because if I get drawings for someone, it's most of the time from my friends, if not always, or acquaintances. So that was really nice, and I'm really thankful. Please follow them. And I wanted to thank you guys for over 300 subs. I'm still shocked how fast I got there thanks to you guys. You guys make me so happy. And yeah, it's been like what, 3 months since I started posting, and we are already here, which is like shocking for me. I'm so happy with that. I just want to thank you guys for all the support. And to be honest, I'm not sure what to say else. So I'm gonna go now, and I hope you guys watch the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, I don't know what else. Enjoy your day. Bye.